1919, in the smoke of defeat, men came home with no work, just boots on the street. Called themselves order, wrapped in black, said they'd guard the peace by breaking it back. They said we keep the nation clean, we stand where chaos used to be. Black shirts walking through the night, claiming law beneath the lights. Crowd salute, the sirens wail, discipline or fear, the line is real. They formed patrols where the strikes once roared, marched on cities, the silence restored. Newspapers printed what they were told, truth was rationed, courage sold. Justice shouted, no one came, they said it all looked just the same. Black shirts walking through the night, claiming law beneath the lights. Crowd salute, the sirens wail, discipline or fear, the line is real. 22, they reached the gates. The king gave power, the mob gave faith. Uniforms spread from Rome to the coast. They said protection, but it looked like ghosts. Oaths and banners, faces still. Who decides whose peace to kill? Black shirts walking through the night, claiming law beneath the lights. Boots on steps, the shadows grow, the order comes, the doubt below. They said they kept the streets secure. They said the law required strength. In the name of safety, people vanished. Neighbors whispered, then stopped. The state and the uniform became one. Each protest met a convoy, each border meant obedience. Each march blurred past and present. They said it was just tradition. They said it was for the flag, but every regime calls its fear protection, and every silence sounds the same. When the leader fell, the drums kept time. Different names, but the same old line. Stand for order, serve the land. History repeats in polished hands. Crowds still cheer for uniforms when storms return in different forms. Black shirts walking through the night, claiming law beneath the lights. Crowds salute, the sirens wail, discipline or fear, the line is frail. Uniforms fade, but the echoes stay.